Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gems Crush. Today I am going to share an exciting video which will give you a lot of information of getting profit. Our today's project is a great gaming project that will provide you a lot of profit when you play a game and earn money. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can join this network for earning. Before that we go toward our main project. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the all information about my upcoming events and you can earn profit. Now we go toward our main project. Our project name is Marvel Avengers. So you can watch here, our project name is present here, so you can get the all procedure of earning in this video. You will get how can you buy a token and how can you play a game. Here you can watch the play an original Avengers story in the resemble campaign. You can watch here, their video has been provided to you here. You can watch their video so that you can get the information about them. Here you can watch with the continuous development of the blockchain technology, the trend of NFT as whole and especially the NFT game has become the latest and hottest topic, attracting the attention of the investors around the world. Rise from that trend. Marvel GameFi, the first 3D metaverse NFT game of Marvel, is ready to join the field with the goal of creating a product with the highest quality possible that is both satisfying the play for fun aspect and providing the opportunity to play to earn. So you can watch here, play to earn and play for fun. You can play a game for getting fun and also play it for getting the earning. So you can earn NFT in this procedure. You can watch here, the Marvel GameFi is our sincerest commitment that our team hopes to bring to gamers around the world. So you can watch here, the characters are present here. You can watch the cube pre-sale will be start from 14th of the July. The pre-sale of NFTs will be started on 14th of the July. You can watch a limited edition early access customs on sale, don't miss out. So you can watch a limited amount of pre-sale has been present here. 5,000 NFTs are present. You can click on buy NFT so that you can buy it. I will show you how can you buy. Here you can watch the Ant-Man Scott Lang was unsuccessful electronic expert trying to support his family when he turned to burglary. Scott was eventually caught by the authority. Here you can watch the NFT procedure of buying will be provided to you here. Here you have clicked on the buy NFT. Lucky draw will be given here. All the information about your boxes will be provided to you. Golden blind box has been present. Probability description has been given. Your probability 2%, SSR probability 8%, SR probability 15%, 13% and 45%. Here you can watch the remaining total will be given to you. 3,000 are total and 3,000 are present because 14th of the July it will be start. Here you can watch the price range of the box has been given to you here. 0.01 Ethereum has a one box price. Here you can watch the purchase quantity is present here. Here you can enter your purchase quantity and you can click on the buy. When you click on buy, you will buy the product. Here I am going to click on it so that I will show you how can you buy a product. Here you have to click on it. Before that you click on it, you need to connect the wallet. Here you can watch the wallet connect option. Here you have to click on it. When you click on wallet connect, the wallet will be connected in few moments. So we just have to wait for the connection of the wallet. So you can watch here, I am going to enter my password. After entering my password, I will show you how can you connect a wallet. Here you need to click on the unlock. When you click on unlock, the wallet will be unlocked soon. As it will be unlocked, you need to click on the wallet that you want to connect. So we have to wait for it. as it will be shown here. You can watch the wallet has been connected, so you can watch here the wallet has been connected. Here wallet option will be shown here, so you can click on the buy now. You can watch here the lucky draw will be shown here. Here you need to click on the buy. When you click on buy, you can watch here the wallet dot box buy confirm. Here you can watch the stay tuned. The sale starts on 14th of the July. As the sale has been going to be start on 14th July, your NFT will be bought here. So you have to click on OK. Here you can watch the next diamond box, and Starburst is also present. Here you can click on buy. Here with the same procedure will be shown here. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can watch here the marketplace will be given to you here. All the information about their markets will be given to. Number of skills are present, so you can select any of the skills so that you can make different heroes as they will be available on 14th of the July. Here you can click on the news. You will get the all upcoming information about them. Here you can watch the Pokemon success was just to the start blockchain gaming. Here you can watch the all GameFi tokenomics has been given to you. All information about them has been provided. Here you can watch their white paper has been given to you. Here you can join them for getting more information. As the white paper will be shown here, I will show you their more information. Marvel with the first large scale GameFi. Here you can watch the welcome to the Marvel GameFi content introduction, Marvel heroes, NFT Avengers introductions, and all information about them will be provided to you here. Play to earn portion is given. Here you can watch our missions are given. Here you can watch all missions will be provided to you. Why Marvel GameFi? Before Marvel GameFi, in the decentralized world you could earn the money by playing a game. Here you can watch what is a Marvel. Here you can watch all information about them will be provided to you. Here 100 plus heroes, 1000 plus web, and all information about them has been provided to you. Your heroes are waiting for you. You can watch here the all information about them will be provided to you in their white paper, so that you can get the whole information about their product and playing how can you play a game. So it is a great project that will provide a lot of profit. You can watch the Avengers Planet. What if I tell you you can have your own unique one of a kind plot of Avengers, so that you can planet and build your own Avengers headquarters on it. So it is a great project that will provide a lot of profit. You can watch here the Avengers stores are present here. The Avengers headquarters boss is built by the players, fees and waiting times are set by the headquarters owners. So you can watch here the rental services are given to you here. After the headquarters is built, you can activate the rental services for all Marvel game players. So you can watch here they can use all of your facilities, features with equipment, and will be charged and commission for each use. So you can watch the application models are present to you here. The main utility of Marvel tokens are game currency. Marvel tokens are used as payment currency in Marvel GameFi games. So you can watch the stacking has been given to you here. Become part of the game by stacking Marvel tokens into the liquidity pool. You can watch NFT stacking Marvel tokens can be used to upgrade heroes NFT rental Marvel tokens can be used to rent hero NFTs and other collections. So you can watch here there all procedure of blind boxes. Marvel holders are present here. Genesis vote for the new features are present to you here, and setting of the game lockup Marvel has been given. So you can watch here the tokenomics has been provided to you here. All the information about them will be given to you in this video. Marvel's ecosystem and ERC20 governance token built on the Ethereum network for the Marvel metaverse. Marvel holders can use their tokens and stack at the attractive APRs, play game and participate in the key governance. Both players can also earn Marvel tokens when participate in the various in-game events and the Marvel Avengers. So you can watch here there all the information about them will be given to you. Code of Marvel has been present. Total supply is given to you. Hard cap, seed, 5% pre-sale, private sale, public sale, team, vault, marketing, gaming rewards, airdrops and liquidity listing has been given to you here. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can watch their team has been present here. Here is you what the team option has been given to you, all the teams that has been present here. You can watch the milestone information about them here. You can watch the milestone portion has been given to you here. Alpha text and all procedure of earning has been given to you here. Here you can watch the May 2022, June 2022, July, August, October, November and December. It is going up to so on. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. Here you can check the investors portion. You can backed by the ICT Labs, 3 Basics, Capital, Advent and Data, Kairos, Everest and Binance are also present here. So you can watch as the Thank You Marvel. So you can watch their social media platforms. You can join them on their Telegram and Discord and other social media platforms, so that you can get the all information about their upcoming events. So you can watch as the NFTs marketplace and all procedure has been told you about them, and you can watch here their home page, so that you can get more information about them. As I have shown you how can you buy a token, and you can watch here the all information about them has been provided to you here. So you can watch a look Marvel Avengers patch 2.4 reward network. So you can watch a play to earn games, see 2000 plus increase in the user base. April 2022, you can watch here the play to earn games have become increasingly popular, have recorded over 2000 in the use. So you can watch here the tokenomics is given here: 10% pre-sale, 15% vault, 5% seed, 25% liquidity, 10% public sale. You can watch here their 5% airdrop, 5% team and gaming rewards are 20%. So it is a great project that will provide a lot of profit. You can join this network for earning, so that you can get the all procedure of earning in this product. So it is a great way of earning. Here you can watch the whole information about them will be provided to you here. All the procedure of earning has been given to you here. You can watch the wallet portion. When you click on wallet portion, you can watch here the username will be shown to you here. Here you can watch the username. You have to enter your username. You can watch here the invitation QR code. So for every 3 new users you invite to buy NFT, you will get a blind box. So you can watch here the all earning procedure has been given to you here. Here you can watch the referral code is present. You just have to copy this link and paste it at your social media platform, so that your friends get engaged with your link, and you will get the instant blind box on their registration. And here you can watch our link. You just have to click on copy. When you click on copy, it will be copied successfully, and you can paste it on your social media platform. Here you can watch my NFTs will be provided to you here, because there is no NFT present here. Pre-sale will be start on 14th of the July. So you can join this network. So you can watch here the invitation records are present here. All the invitation information will be given to you here. Invitation records will be provided to you. Valid invitation record will be given to you, and all information about them will be provided to you here. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can join this network for earning. Here you can watch the QR code. You can scan this QR code, so that you can get the all your products here. So it is a great project that will provide a lot of profit. You can join this network for earning. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that you can get the information about the upcoming events and new projects. So that will provide you a lot of profit.